Hey Siri, what is Tornado Alley?
Tornado Alley is a loosely defined area of the central United States where tornadoes are most frequent. The term was first used in 1952 as the title of a research project to study severe weather in areas of Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Kansas, South Dakota, Iowa, and Nebraska. Tornado climatologists distinguish peaks in activity in certain areas, and storm chasers have long recognized the Great Plains tornado belt.
Iowa dog, hopefully it comes through.
Getting attacked right now by mosquitoes.
Yeah, bug country.
Iowa. Iowa. Let's see what kind of boogie Iowa has. Here we go. First stop in Iowa. There's 5 rapids. We're just checking it out. We're gonna hit it in the morning if it looks doable. Oh, it looks pretty doable. Looks like it has a little bowl, kind of. Is JMO approved?
I'm freaking approving it, man.
Looks like maybe it might be hard to see how it's stay on, but who knows? We can leave this paddle in right here.
It's easy, easy.
Maybe. Don't claim it yet.
Hopefully Manchester comes through. It's looking like maybe the first wave. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
You like that artwork, don't you, JMO?
You know, and then another piece.
Dude, what is this? Wave 5? I still think maybe, but probably not. Wave 6, I can tell you right now, that one is a no-go. No-go zone. Dude, Diego.
Well, Manchester was a fail. Hopefully the next spot in Iowa produces. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Boogie 50. I didn't knock the first one out, but hopefully I can see in this little pile here. It's pretty small, but let's see what happens. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Smash that like button. Iowa! Well, Iowa's checked off. I'd give it rideable, but I wouldn't go back. Maybe it gets better if it's CSS, but who knows? Maybe, I'm not sure, but let's see. Kind of like the first one. If it goes, though, I'll be able to carve it, right? Kind of looks flat, though, huh? Who knows? I'm gonna go try it regardless. That's what's gonna start. Dude, you got some 20 or 30-second rides there. Are you stoked you knocked Iowa out? Hi, dog. Yeah, subscribe to this man. Land Yacht 2.